Hi, kids. Hi. Having a good time? Yeah. Okay. Hi, Big Bird. What's the matter?
Oh, hi, Miss Moss.
Oh, no, that's Ross. Ross.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Diana.
Well, what's the matter, Big Bird?
Oh, I was just reading about another bird.
Uh-huh.
His name was Admiral Bird, and he was the first person ever to fly over the coldest place in the world, the South Pole.
So, why does that make you unhappy?
Well, I'm a bird, but what can I do? I don't fly over anything. Why, I can't even fly. And all I do is just sit here and play jacks and eat bird seed. And I'm never the first anywhere. Why, if I go to Mr. Looper's store, there's somebody there ahead of me.
Big Bird, you can do anything Admiral Bird did. All you have to do is stop saying can't and say I can, and just believe in yourself.
No, I believe in myself. I just don't believe I can do anything.
Come on, I'm going to sing you this song. You can do anything.
You can be what you want to be, see what you want to see, believe in yourself, believe in yourself. You can go where you want to go, do what you want to do, believe in yourself, just believe in yourself. Some folks try to tell you there are things you shouldn't do, 'cause you're not strong enough or smart enough at all. But what seems right to them quite often might be wrong for you. So make sure you try to climb before you get too scared you'll fall. You can be what you want to be and learn what you want to learn. Believe in yourself, just believe in yourself. You can try what you need to try. No one should question why. Believe in yourself, just believe in yourself. Folks might say you're different, that you've gone and lost your senses, but the world is yours to walk in. Go ahead and leap the fences and you'll see. Believe in yourself, and the world belongs to you and me. Believe in yourself. Yeah. Believe in yourself. You can. Come on, guys. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Folks might say you're different, that you've gone and lost your senses.
You mean the world is mine to walk in?
Go ahead and leap the fences and you'll see.
And you'll see.
Believe in yourself. And the world belongs to you and me.
Hey! Oh, thank you. I feel much better.
Good.
Except now, I don't know if I should go eat breakfast or go to the South Pole.
Oh, Big Bird.